Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming basics. Your iPhone runs Messenger and Bluetooth is active. Make sure Messages permissions are allowed. Once done, wake the watch and open the Messages app or use the Messenger complication if installed. That launches conversation options quickly. If you prefer voice, press and hold the digital crown and say, "Send a Messenger message to name," then dictate. This gets you into a new or recent thread fast, so you can act without wasting time. Now focus on composing. Select an existing thread or tap New Message Plus. Use Scribble to draw letters or tap the microphone to dictate. Make sure you speak punctuation when needed. For quick replies, pick from curated canned responses or an emoji. These are faster for short replies. Once your text looks right, press send. The watch shows a delivery indicator. If you need more control, open the iPhone conversation from the watch and finish typing there. This is where precision meets speed. Finish by verifying the message status, delivered, read, or failed, so you know if follow-up is needed. If a message fails, restart your Apple Watch and iPhone, then toggle Bluetooth. That often restores connectivity. Make sure Messenger and Watch OS are up to date, because version mismatches can block features. If problems persist, sign out and back into Messenger on the iPhone, then retest on the watch. This step clears lingering session issues and usually resolves stubborn send or sync errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.